This is a new addition to the family. He's less than 6 months old and he's very curious. I thought I'd better introduce him because he's gonna video bomb my radio videos now and again. So I'm just doing the unboxing now and switch it all on and see everything's working okay. The radio was packaged very well inside another box, and the box itself hasn't a mark on it. Here we are with the Lincoln 2 Plus out of the box. Turn it on. You really have to read the manual with this one. It's I wouldn't say it's complicated, but it's I guess it's President's flagship like entry into amateur radio land.